Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Is your PC lagging because your C drive is stuffed to the brim? You're not alone. In this video, I'm sharing the best ways to reclaim space on Windows 11 or 10, boosting performance fast. Let's dive into freeing up that precious storage. Step 1. Clear Prefetch cache. Start by opening the Run dialog, press Windows key and R. Type Prefetch and hit Enter. You'll see cached files. Select all with Ctrl and A, then delete with Ctrl and D, skip any in-use files. This removes temporary startup data, freeing a few megabytes. Step 2. Remove temporary files. Back to Run, type temp and press Enter. Select all files with Ctrl and A, delete with Ctrl and D, and skip any locked files. I'm clearing temp now. Next, type %temp% in Run. And repeat. Delete what you can. This targets session-specific junk, often yielding gigabytes. Step 3. Empty software distribution. Open File Explorer. Go to This PC. Click the C drive. Then Windows. And find Software Distribution. Delete all contents. Click Continue if prompted. This clears old update files, potentially freeing several gigabytes, especially after major updates. Step 4. Optimize with Disk Defragmenter. Right-click the C drive in this PC, select Properties, go to Tools, and click Optimize. Ensure C is selected, then hit Optimize. Turn on Scheduled Optimization weekly. For SSDs, defragmentation isn't needed, but this cleans up space on HDD, save a few hundred megabytes. Step 5. Run Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup. Select your C drive and click OK. Check boxes like Recycle Bin, Temporary Files, Thumbnails, then click OK and delete files. This can free 1-2 gigabytes or more. Step 6. Manage Hibernation file. Open Command Prompt as Administrator, search CMD, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Type this following command to disable Hibernation. Disabling Hibernation deletes the large hiberfil.sys file, freeing up several gigabytes of disk. Re-enable with PowerGing Hibernate on if needed later. Step 7. Uninstall unused features. Go to Settings. Click Apps, Install Apps, sort by size, and review large programs. Uninstall unneeded ones via Uninstall. Uninstalling unused app frees up valuable disk space and reduces background processes, helping your PC run faster and more efficiently. Step 8. Enable StorageSense. In Settings, go to System, then Storage, and turn on StorageSense. Enabling StorageSense automates regular cleanup of temporary and old files, helping maintain free disk space and keeping your system clutter-free with minimal effort. Step 9. Find and delete large files. In File Explorer, click This PC. Search size gigantic for files over 4 gigabytes, or size huge for 1 or 4 gigabytes. Review and delete unnecessary ones. It helps recover significant storage space quickly by targeting overlooked items like old backups or videos, making room for more important data. Step 10. Clear DNS and store cache. Open Command Prompt as Administrator again. Type ipconfig /flushdns to clear DNS cache. Then, type ws reset to reset the Windows Store cache. Flushing DNS and resetting the Windows Store cache can resolve connectivity and app issues, improving network stability and app performance without needing extra tools. Step 11. Final checks and tips. Open File Explorer and click This PC to verify your freed space. I started with 42.7 gigabytes free and now have 70.2 gigabytes. Move large files to an external drive, keep downloads lean, and schedule cleanups monthly. If you hit errors, restart and retry with admin rights. That's it! You've freed up disk space on Windows 11 or 10. If this boosted your PC, smash that subscribe button and join our tech crew. Share your results in the comments and check the description for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.